What is up, guys? It's Swag13 here, and today we're going to be doing a water bottle flip challenge. But for the consequence, I'm going to be eating some toxic waste. If you don't know what toxic waste is, it's this really sour candy that it's like really sour, and it's set like I heard that it's like one of the sourest candies in America. So you know. I have lemon, watermelon, mystery, and one black cherry. So here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna put 5 of these and 5 of these. How many I missed is how much toxic waste I have to eat. Let's get to it. Alright, level 1. This is easy. Let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so I have to eat 1 already. Wow. Let's do 5 of these. I could eat 6. I have to eat 2. I have to eat 3. And I think that was 5. Yeah, I think that was 5. I'll just do 1 more just to make sure. I'll go back and edit, and then I'll say how many it is. So, see you guys when I have to eat the toxic waste. Bye. Alright, I'm sorry for the confusion. I did do 5. Luckily, I did that last one. So, I have 4 flavors. 1 lemon. I'm going to eat 1 lemon. 1 watermelon. 1 mystery. And 1 black cherry. All at the same time. So this is going to be... Right, I'm opening up black cherry. Right, it's red. See? Okay, so this is going to be yellow. This is going to be green. Oh yeah. Green. Oh. What is this? I think this is... Do these two look the same? I think so. Basically, I'm eating 2 cherries. Let's get to it. Look at this. Alright, let's eat them. Oh. Oh my god. Woo! This hurts. Oh my god, that hurts. My mouth. I dropped one. Oh my god. It hurts so bad. It's getting less sour now. It still hurt though. Oh my god. But most sour candies are like sweet, like sour than sweet. So like it's a little sweet now, but my tongue, it burns now. Oh my god. It's crazy how sour these things are. And look at, if you can see it, right here, it says caution. Consuming more than 1 piece at a time may cause injuries. Serious individuals should not consume this product. I'm not really sensitive, but it may cause injuries in mouth. Hope I don't lose my taste buds. Oh my god, this would be a bad way to lose my taste buds. I did not like lose my taste buds, whatever you call it. I still have it in my mouth, and it tastes pretty good now. So, toxic waste, the caution on it, I think it's just to make it more like attractive to people. So, but pretty good. It tastes really good now. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below and comment what you want me to do next. Drop a like and hit that notification button down below also, and then you will get reminded every single time I do a video. Peace out. Bye. By the way, guys, I am so sorry that my intro didn't work, but I'm thinking of trying to change my intro to something better. So hopefully I can. And comment below what ideas you want me to do, and if you have places apps that you know where to get it from, just tell me that and leave a link, and then I'll go to it and check it out and see if it's good. Alright, bye for real now.